Good morning, Wow Kids. So, kids, as you know, on 14th November we are celebrating Children's Day, and Children's Day is dedicated to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. We also call him Chacha Nehru. And kids, did you know Chacha Nehru loves to wear the red rose on his coat? So today we are going to make a paper red rose. I need a red paper and a green paper for making the leaves. I have taken this wooden stick, a scale, and first I am taking the red color paper for making the rose. So as you can see, this paper is not in the square shape. For making the square shape, I am going to fold it like this and I will cut this extra part. Then automatically the sheet will become square. So see kids, now the paper is in square shape. All the four sides are equal. Now fold it like this. So now the paper is becoming two folds, okay, and again we have to fold it from the center and then we will cut it. So how many parts will become? Four parts. One, two, three, and after cutting in four parts, the part will look like this. Now we have to fold it again in the half. Okay kids, again repeat the similar action. Again fold it from the center, and now you have to join these two corners like this. And now what shape has become? It is looking like a triangle, three sides, okay. And now I am going to cut it in the petal. After cutting, the petal look like this. Now we are going to open it and our flower will look like this. And kids, I have also make a small cut on this point, okay, from where our rose will get entered into the stem. So kids, now what is important in this? I have to cut all the four parts like this, and after opening it, what I am going to do? I am going to cut one petal from one and two petals from the second flower. Similarly, what will I do? When I am going to open the third flower, I am going to cut three petals, right? And on the fourth, what should I do? On the fourth, I will cut four petals. Then flowers will look like this. This is one petal. This is the cut of the two petals. This is three and this is four. And now we have to stick one petal only. Okay? And it will become like this. So let's stick it. Our petals of flower is ready. So it has just looking like the rose. Now we are going to make the stem of the rose flower. So for that, making the stem, what I am going to need? I will need one wooden stick and the green color paper. So first I will cut it from half. One portion is for the leaf, one I am going to wrap it on the this wooden stick. So let's start. So kids, now it's time to stick the green paper on this wooden stick. So take this part and the corner of the paper, and you just have to roll the wooden stick, and your paper will be going to cover it on the whole wooden stick. Okay kids, and if some part is left, you can adjust it, not a big problem. So like this we are going to adjust it, and now I am going to paste this part and your wooden stick like this. A stem is ready for the rose. Now it's time to make the leaves. For leaves I am taking the rest part of the green color paper, and now we have to fold it. Okay kids, and I am going to make a leaf pattern on it, and then I am going to kids, after cutting I am going to open the leaf pattern. So it is now four leaves. So now again what we are going to do, first I am going to take the stem which I have made it, and one by one this one big petal. First I will going to enter it. I have already make the hole and now put it like this. Right kids? See? And now we are going to put one more flower in this. Slowly our rose is going to be ready. And now it's time to put the third one. And now I am going to put the last one, fourth one. Okay? And now what we are going to place it? The leaves. So kids, fold it again. Now the leaves have become like this, and now I am going to stick like this, and our rose is ready.